Hi friends, today we are going to make a Night Rider circuit with 5 LEDs that I have. Let's see how it works, like left to right and right left. Let's start. We need 5 LEDs. You can choose any LEDs, it's okay. I'm choosing those LEDs. Now we want to connect LED minus to the breadboard minus and LED plus to the breadboard B. There, and connect all of the LED like that and like this. And we need 6 jumper wire, 1 jumper for the minus and the 5 jumper for the LEDs. Now take 5 jumper wire and connect them like this. LED plus to a jumper wire and connect like that to a hole. And we need to separate them, and we need to connect them for the pin. And now you want to connect the pin number 18, 19, 21 and 22 and 23. Now take a jumper wire for the ground pin. Take a jumper for the ground pin and breadboard ground minus and SP32 GND ground. That's all. Now we are jump to the board. This is a walkthrough simulation pass, and I will give in description in YouTube, in the description. And copy this code. This code is different, and copy this code and Sony and paste MicroPython. If you don't have MicroPython, please install it. And we want to change the pin numbers and raise that pin and change for 22, 23, 18, 19, 21. And we want to plug the SP32. Take the SP32 and plug it. After plugging, we want to only upload the code and it's ready. Yeah, this is another code. I will show another code for you. Just don't skip. Now stop and press Ctrl C and go to and select the port and start, and it's blocking. And this code is like different one. It's collapse like going the different way. And now we are going to do another part, left to right and right to left. Change the pin number to 23, 22, 21, 19, 18. Then it will go to left to right and right to left part. I will give the code in description. After changing the code, stop that and again run. Yeah, it's going to right left and left right. Yes. If you like this video, like, subscribe and share. Bye.